All right, so it's a great day, and I'm actually ending another working day at work. One of the things that I actually like to share with you today is a very interesting story about my perfume. So I suddenly realized that the perfume actually got broken. The lower part of it actually broke. And so I was trying to spray it this morning and suddenly realized that the perfume was empty. And how did I find out it was empty? I began to notice that nothing was coming onto my body. And as I looked at it closely, this is what I found. I suddenly discovered that it's broken. And as I thought about it before I threw it away, one of the things that I thought about is the fact that in life we find ourselves in broken places, or some part of our lives are broken, or we have a situation that is broken and we want to fix it, and we don't want people to notice these things. But the truth is, when something like my perfume got broken, there was nothing in it again. In other words, it had air, and guess what? The interesting side of it is that the entire perfume filled my toilet bag. But fast forward, to some very interesting thing about this broken perfume. It suddenly reminded me of a Japanese philosophy. And the Japanese philosophy is one very interesting philosophy, and that philosophy talks to when things are broken. It talks about the phases of life, and as I share this video, one of the things that I'm asking myself is, what part of your life is broken that you're looking to fix? What part of my life has been broken that has helped me to really appreciate life? And even as you watch this right now and you think about what I'm talking about, the question that comes to my mind is, everyone who is broken, or every person or place or situation that is broken, makes us appreciate what mending feels like. In other words, our broken lives, our broken parts, our broken situations, our challenges makes us to appreciate things that we have or had. And most importantly, when you are broken, you're actually the best person to help mend those who are also broken. And I hope that makes some sense to you today. And that's my video for the day. Bye for now. Awesome coach here, Joshua. Bye.